Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I have heard you in the comments. I know a lot of you are looking for part-time, flexible schedules, things you can do outside of your full-time job. Some of you are even looking for 1099 contractor jobs. I am keeping my eye out for all of those, but this one is full-time or part-time and weekends. It is a flexible schedule. They will work with you. Perfect for parents or working around another full-time job. So let's just go ahead and dive on into it. The company Hello Innovation is hiring a customer happiness hero. They do consider this an entry-level position, and this is remote work from home for my United States folks only. So their happiness hero role is their take on customer service role. So the responsibilities of the job are doing whatever it takes to deliver the best customer experience when you're serving the direct point of contact between their e-commerce store customers and product vendors. You'll act as a resource for their online shoppers, providing product advice and guiding while being passionate to their needs and thinking outside the box to deliver happiness to the customer. You'll delight the customer and vendors with a wow experience every time, and you'll also support the team by coming up with innovative solutions to problems, sharing your ideas, and reporting the trends that you find. So they are looking for someone who does not need a babysitter required, someone who can work on their own, someone who is empathetic to the customer, someone who is a go-getter and likes helping people. Now, of course, they did not list the pay for this position. That is going to be dependent on your location and experience that you bring to the table, but this is a job that provides benefits even to part-time employees. I saw that in the comments recently that someone is looking for a part-time job that does provide benefits. Most jobs do not provide benefits unless you are full-time, but this job does. It provides benefits even if you're part-time. And the benefits include health, dental, 401k, as well as it says flexible schedule. They will work around your schedule, whether you're going to school, being a parent, or just living your life to the fullest. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you find any of my job leads helpful, please help me out by liking this video and sharing it with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.